To news now in politics, the Peter Bunting-led Rise United camp continues to deny allegations of vote buying ahead of Saturday's PNP presidential election. Speaking on TVJ's All Angles on Wednesday, campaign manager Dr. Dayton Campbell said the allegations are nothing but a last-ditch effort by one PNP to turn around a tide which seems to be going against them. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
Scathing accusations at a press conference on Wednesday morning.
That even in my constituency, up to yesterday morning at 8 a.m., a leader of the Rise team was there, offering and giving and issuing envelopes containing $10,000.
But are members of the Rise United team really trying to buy votes? The question was put to Rise United's campaign manager, Dr. Dayton Campbell, on TVJ's All Angles.
And I don't know of any member of the team that was in a constituency doing that.
You wouldn't be saying that your colleague there is not telling the truth, though?
She may have been misinformed.
Dr. Campbell explained that a team member was in Lisa Hanna's constituency on the day in question, touching base with some of the delegates, which is a part of the Rise United campaign strategy.
We had gone into that constituency before. We didn't get to complete the number of delegates because her constituency is one with 72 delegates. And we didn't get to complete it on that day. So a member of the team was in there yesterday completing that.
So you're sure you can vouch for what that team member was doing? She says very clearly that the reports are that the person was giving out envelopes with $10,000 in it.
I don't know of that.
This is what he believes the one PNP team was hoping to achieve by making those allegations.
It seems to me that this is a last-ditch effort by one PNP to try and turn around what seems to be a tide that is going against them.
Member of the One PNP campaign team, Senator Donna Scott Motley, who was also speaking on All Angles, says she received multiple complaints about vote buying in the Rise United camp.
Have I seen it done myself? No. Have I heard about it? Persistently and consistently.
So will the One PNP team be making an official report?
From my perspective, I don't make a decision such as that, but I would not make an official complaint.
Allegations of vote buying are among the myriad of issues which have been spiraling since the presidential race, which is why there are questions as to what will happen to the PNP after the dust settles on September 7.
Yeah, it is impossible to have a smooth uniting. You couldn't have a campaign like this. We have never had one which has not led to some fracture.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.